So, what have we got? Very simple, my friend. Why don't you have a look underneath and have a see? Alright, I will. Ghastly. What kind of monster would do such a thing to an innocent boy? He's actually a security guard. Oh, really? Any witnesses? Only the banker, but he's at hospital. He won't be back until for a few days or something. Got shot really bad. Any ways that the bank was robbed? All I know is that the bank had a delivery of meat, even though the place didn't even serve any meat. That doesn't sound right. I just don't get it. Why would anyone deliver meat at banks unless every place that has been delivered by meat had been delivered by a tracking of paper, it says. Wait, does that mean... Wait, where's that new recruit? He's been in that bathroom for 2. Snake Eye! But how did he get out of jail? It's impossible. Wait, where's he going? That door leads to... the Chief of Police! Bye bye, Chiefy boy. I hope Satan likes you. See you. You're under arrest. What on earth is going on? Whoa, what is he doing here? Why is the most dangerous assassin here? He was trying to assassinate you for some reason. He had a sniper rifle pointing at your window and everything, but I knocked him out with my lamp. Put him in the brig, or in this case, put him in the jail cell just down the hall. But I wonder why he was even here. Boss, Snake Eye has been sent to prison. Really? He's been sent to prison, You're not gonna kill me, sir, are you? No, I'm not. Oh, my goodness. I'm gonna mobilize you! Boss, wait! Please, don't put the machine gun! No! You're fired. Your day will end, detective. Your day will end.